Looking for prospects already in the market for what you sell? Buyer intent in the Salesgenie business database helps you find businesses actively researching products and services like yours, so you can focus on the right leads at the right time. To get started, toggle to the business database, then click Search for Leads. Next, click Filters, then scroll to the Buyer Intent section. Click Configure Topics. Here you'll find buyer intent categories. Search keywords related to your industry and choose the topics that match what you offer, like software, business insurance, or banking. Salesgenie tracks over 8,000 intent topics, so you can get as specific as you need. How it works. Buyer intent is based on real online activity, such as website visits, content downloads, social media engagement, webinar signups, blog views and keyword searches, linked to a company's IP address. This means you're not guessing. You're targeting businesses actively shopping for your solutions. Once you have selected the intent topics you want to search for, click Done to apply those topics. Then click Apply Filters to filter your search to those topics. Click Close to see the results. You can now open any record to view the specific intent signal that company is searching. Click View More within the record to see other topics this company has expressed interest in. Happy with the results? Click Save List to keep your work and start prospecting. That's it. With buyer intent, you're not just chasing leads, you're connecting with the right businesses at the right moment when they're looking for what you have to offer.